Hello everyone, this is Aida Polami from Concatenate Cells Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Excel. So as you can see here, I have a data set. I have sub-basic numbers, LU code, code, and slope. Now imagine I want to merge land use code and soil code together. Okay, I want Excel to show them together. Now what can I do here? One approach to do this is to go, uh, actually it's not the right way, but maybe it sounds correct, that go to merge center and click on merge cells, select the two, go to merge cells. It warns you that merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. If you click OK, it does the same thing that it warns. So what happened? It deleted the right value and just kept the left value and merged them. Now, the right way to do this is to select the cell, in front of them, click on equal mark, type concatenate, and then select these two with a blank, you know, space between them and the other one, and close. So as you can see here, I have merged these two cells. So now if I copy it to my other cells, you can see this happens. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimax channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.